Today I am going to make this cute earring with you, and I have used cotton yarn to make this. 1.25mm crochet hook, pair of scissors, plier, and the yarn needle. So let's get started. Now let's start by making a magic circle. And you need to put a slip stitch to secure the magic circle. So insert the hook into the magic circle, grab the yarn, pull through, grab the yarn and pull through the loop. And then we have to work 8 single crochet inside this magic circle. So I will show you one. So insert the hook into the magic circle, grab the yarn, pull through, and you have 2 loops on the hook now. So grab the yarn and pull through 2. So we have just completed our first single crochet. So you need to complete another 7 of them and meet me back there. Now I have completed 8 double crochets all the way around, and you can pull this tail to close the magic circle. Pull it tight, and you can make a slip stitch to the first single crochet we have done over here. Now we will start the second round. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you need to work a double crochet to the next stitch. Grab the yarn and insert the hook into the next stitch, grab the yarn and pull through, grab the yarn and pull through 2, grab the yarn and pull through 2. You have to work over this tail and chain 2. Make another double stitch to the next stitch over here. Then again chain 2. So likewise you have to complete up to here, and at the end, without this, you have to have 7 double crochets all the way around. Now I have completed 7 more double crochets, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 double crochets and chain 3 over here and the space of chain 2. So you have to put a slip stitch to the third stitch from the start. Now you have completed the second row. Now we are going to start the third round. Chain 1. Now you have to work 2 single crochet into this chain 2 space. 1 and 2. And another single crochet on top of the double crochet here. Now 2 single crochet into the chain 2 space and 1 single crochet on the previous round double crochet. So I'll show one more time. 1 and 2. Then on top of the double crochet another one. So like that you have to complete this round and meet me back there. Now I'm at the end of the third round, and we are going to put a slip stitch to the first single crochet we have done to finish the round 3. Then we are going to do the outline for this. For that, chain 2 and put a slip stitch to the next stitch. Again, chain 2 and put a slip stitch to the next stitch. Again, chain 2 and put a slip stitch to the next stitch. So this is going to be your outline, and you can complete until the end, and I will show you how to finish the earring. Now I'm at the very last stitch of the round 4, and we are going to put a slip stitch to the first stitch over here. Grab the yarn and pull through, and you can cut the yarn off. Now, to hide this tail, you can take your yarn needle and insert that into few stitches. Better if you can insert that into the last round. And you can thread your yarn needle and you can pull it from the other side. Then cut this tail. And then take your jump ring and the hook ear wire and the plier. Open the jump ring using the plier. Insert that into a stitch in the last round. Just like this. And you can insert the hook ear wire into the jump ring and secure that with the plier. Now we have completed our earring. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and you can share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.